I wasn't ready. I can get rid of this part though. Okay, notice what this says. Did it say that in the last one? What is the graph of the image? So we did want a graph of this. So look at this next one. What are the vertices? I started making the video and I didn't read my directions. They only just want the vertices of the transform graph. So in this one, you want to get these coordinates. -6, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good practice. Boy, my CAT students sometimes, not the ones I know now, we're going to get really into coordinate planes. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5. 2, comma 1. When we do trigonometry, boy, that sometimes the students of the past I've had in CAT can't even find a coordinate plane. X, comma Y, Y, comma X, and all this other stuff. Oof. Okay, so we're going to take these coordinates. Here they are. Here are the vertices before any transformations. No order. Just pick the 3 of them. Oh, I guess I should label them. That's A. I guess that's C, and then that's B. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so I shouldn't have to cover this again. That's a composition of these two, and you want to do this one first. Again, it's because of f of g of x. You know, when we had that composition notation, you do the g of x first. So you do this first, then that. I know that's going to be kind of crazy for you. Got to do it, and these are the things that we test you on. Hey, what does that T stand for? Translates. And what we're going to do is translate this 3, take a guess, right, and 1 up. So what does that do? You know, look at this. If I move this 3 right, 1, 2, 3, and I move this 1 up, sure, that's where it lands. But really, it's the same as if you took and added 3 to the x coordinate and added 1 to the y coordinate. And that's how you do this just with dealing with coordinates without actually drawing the picture, so to say. So 2, comma 1, 3 right, and 1 up. Well, that's adding 3 to the x coordinate, adding 1 to the y. And of course, that green coordinate is at 5, comma 2. Now I'm not going to draw anymore. Add 3 to the x coordinate, add 1 to the y coordinate. This is going to go off the screen coming up next. Then we do D2, which is let's color code that, although sometimes blue and green don't look too different. That is a dilation by a factor of 2. And I did want to show you this, and I don't think I have yet, to dilate this by a factor of 2. And again, this is implying that the origin is the points, of this dilation, but of this new graph, going through these points, but blah, 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 blah. All you have to do is multiply the x coordinate, the y, by 2. And then if you were to draw this, you would see first the slid picture of this, then a picture that's twice in size. 2 times 5, 2 times 2 is 4. And then 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. And that is where A prime, C prime, B prime would end up when you're done with this. And then, if you piggyback off old notes, the perimeter would be 2 times as big as the perimeter of ABCD. The area of the new triangle would be 2 squared, which is 4 times as big as the area of ABC. Just something to remember from a video.